Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix an error when incorrect login credentials are entered. This is typical for working with internet access. In general, everything I'll be doing now is on a computer that you'll be connecting to. First, we need to go into Settings, then into the Network Settings. Here we go into the Advanced Internet Settings, here we go into the Advanced Access Settings, and here we toggle this on and toggle this on. If it's a public network, right here there's a slider that needs to be turned off. Next, we also need to go into the privacy settings, local privacy settings, or security settings. Go here, go into local settings, security settings. And here, make sure that this slider is enabled. Now restart your computer and try again. If that doesn't help, then we reset the network. Go in and reset the network, then reconnect to Wi-Fi, to the internet, and try again. See you all later.